All right, today we're going to demystify a piece of technology that is quietly but completely changing how you and I interact with businesses, all from inside your favorite chat app. Let's get right into it. Okay, honest question. Go ahead and pull out your phone. Look at your email app. How many unread messages are sitting in there? Is it a dozen? A few hundred? Maybe even thousands. Come on, be honest. Okay, now flip over to WhatsApp. I'm willing to bet that number is a lot smaller. Maybe it's one or two. Maybe it's zero. We just treat chat differently, don't we? We read them. We engage. It's an immediate direct line. And that huge gap, the difference between your cluttered inbox and your clean chat list, that is exactly why businesses are racing to meet you where you actually are. They want to be in that zero unread messages world. This brings us to a really clever concept that makes this all possible. The best way to think about it is like putting a tiny, powerful app directly inside your chat conversation. And it's called WhatsApp Flow. So, what on earth is it? Well, put simply, WhatsApp Flow lets a business build a whole interactive experience. We're talking booking an appointment, filling out a survey, choosing a product. That all happens entirely within your chat. You never leave, no new app, no clunky website. So, why is this such a game changer? Well, for us, the users, it's just seamless. It's easy. You're in an app you already know and trust. But for the business, this is huge. The number of people who actually finish what they start goes way up. And, this is key, they get clean, structured data they can actually use. Okay, so how does this magic actually work? You might think it's super complex, but when you look under the hood, the whole system is surprisingly elegant. Let's break it down. It's really just a quick four-step dance. You tap a button in the chat, like Book Now, that instantly opens up a form right there on the screen. You fill it in, hit Submit, and your info gets sent securely to the business's system. It gets processed, and boom, a confirmation message pops up in the same chat. The whole thing can take just a few seconds. And listen, this isn't some smoke and mirrors trick. The entire experience, every screen, every button, every choice you see, is built with structured JSON code. That just means it's a solid, programmable system that's built from the ground up to be reliable and secure. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's see how this thing actually performs out in the wild. We're going to look at two very different but very powerful real-world examples. One that's making healthcare more efficient, and another that's helping companies build better products. So on one side, you have healthcare, where just streamlining a process like booking a doctor's visit can make a massive difference in people's lives. And on the other, you have product strategy, where getting that direct, honest feedback from customers is absolute gold. Let's start with healthcare. I mean, this quote from a product manager who built one of these systems says it all. The goal was to completely automate the appointment process, perfectly matching patients with the right doctors at the right times. For the patient, this journey is just incredibly simple. You tap Book Appointment. You pick a specialty, maybe cardiology. You choose an open slot from a real-time calendar, and you get an instant confirmation right there. No phone calls, no waiting on hold, just done. And here's the other side of the coin, what the hospital sees. All that data from the bookings feeds directly into a dashboard. So they can track these super important metrics like slot utilization, that's just how full the doctor's schedules are. They can optimize schedules, reduce idle time, and even analyze cancellation patterns to cut down on no-shows. This is what data-driven healthcare actually looks like. All right, let's switch gears to our second example, the world of product development. Here, the goal isn't about booking something, it's about learning something. As the source says, it's all about validating new ideas and getting customer feedback fast. And for the customer, giving feedback is just as smooth. A product manager sends a message, you tap Give Feedback. You answer a couple of quick multiple-choice questions, hit Submit, and get back to your day. The whole thing is over in less than 30 seconds. And that data immediately fuels the product roadmap. The product manager gets this incredible dashboard where they can see who started the survey and who finished. They can literally quantify customer opinions into a feasibility score to help decide which features to build next. They can even A/B test their questions to see which ones work better. It's so powerful. So after seeing these two examples, let's just zoom out and connect the dots. What's the real, tangible business impact here? Why is this so much more than just a cool feature? Well, it delivers specific value to different people. For a product manager, it's a dream channel for boosting conversion. For a business analyst, it's a perfect tool for capturing accurate data. And for a technical lead, it's a modern, secure way to build integrations that just work. This really shows how strategy translates directly into execution. You can take a formal planning document, like a PRD, and map it one-to-one with a WhatsApp flow. The problem statement becomes the intro message. The user journey becomes the sequence of screens. It creates this direct bridge from a strategic idea to a working experience for a customer. And here's what success looks like in real numbers. Remember the healthcare example? Their goal was a booking completion rate of over 70%. That number is just astronomical compared to your typical web form. It shows you the incredible power of meeting people where they already are. So, if there's one thing to take away, it's this. WhatsApp Flow is not just another messaging feature. It's a true strategic channel. It's a channel for discovering what your customers want, for validating your ideas, and for letting people complete important tasks with almost zero friction. And that really brings us to the final thought I want to leave you with. Think about all the clunky, frustrating experiences you have with businesses every single day. Ordering food, booking a flight, trying to get support. And now just ask yourself, what broken journey could you fix right inside a chat?